never been in a, one of these things?
Oh yeah, like a Falcon or...
So you're gonna take my virginity?
Just hit temperature cut. Oh, that's factory protection.
Oh, yep. Oh, no way. It's actually on fire.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Bro, running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but today we're down at Archerfield Drift Park for the last drift event of the year. I don't know anyone that's driving here. I'm just gonna go in and hope for the best that I can get a ride with some people, and yeah, it's always a bit sketchy when you don't know who you're going with. Could be a pretty wild episode, I don't know. There's only a little bit time left, so I got down here pretty late. But yeah, let's go in and have a look and see some drifting. Pretty keen. It sucks that the car S13 is not ready to go right now, but yeah, oh well. Watching drifting and being passengers is fun too, so super keen to get out there and yeah, check it all out. Make sure you guys also to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's go check it out. Alright, this place is lit as always. I just spoke to the lady in the front, nice lady, she's going to let me go passenger with Luke. Luke's kind enough, holy shit mate! Oh, it's so loud. Luke's kind enough to take the passenger, so I'm going to jump in with him next. Holy shit, I don't think I've ever been in the car with him. I think maybe once at QR, but guys, so pumped for this. So I'm jumping in this orange 32, just met Sam here. Cheers mate. About to go join the ruckus out on track. It should be fun. We say we've got a couple of bent arms. Yeah. Well, should be right. Should be right? Alright, let's go. Super pumped.
The tire on.
Oh, for real. Spewing. Is it the front right?
Yeah, I just hit it. I hit that thing too hard.
Yeah, you hit it pretty good.
Well, that sucks. 2 seconds.
Yeah, hopefully I wasn't a bad omen.
I've broke like every car this past couple of weeks.
Oh, real?
Yeah.
Oh, well, thanks for taking me.
No worries, that was pretty
That sucks
rubbish.
about your car. Let's check it out.
Oil over. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think it's cooked in oil over.
Good. Bloody loud. That was pretty wild. Old mate just snapped his bloody coil over on the chicane right in the middle there. This is Luke's 350 that he just absolutely pounds constantly. It's still going. And the fresh paint at Matsuri. Now, it's cooked. So Luke's ran out out of tyres, unfortunately, so it couldn't take me. Let's see if we can jump in with someone else. We don't have much time left, but hopefully we can get a run. That'd be nice. Woo. Holy fucking, oh my lord, like what the? This thing is like a proper track pack, like what the fuck? That's like as beat up as you can get. I think that was the good side too. Yeah, that's a beaten up car. Got your S13s dominating, smoking off the wheels. So this legend's just doing a quick swap of a tyre. Just exploded one out on the track. It's going to take me passenger. It's got a Turbo Barra in it. I don't know about this. Massive hydro head. Oh mate. Yeah, because Luke ran out of tyres. He recommended me I go for a ride with this fella. And pretty keen. Behave. What was your name again? Ronnie. James.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man.
I should really get rid of all
Yeah,
that.
I was just gonna say.
But I don't have the time.
There's no time. You're like fully sending it, so I'm pretty keen to. I've never been in one of these things.
Oh yeah, like a Falcon or?
Yeah, anything other than JDM. So you're gonna take my virginity?
I built this thing. No one was really drifting. Well, people were drifting Commodores and Falcons, but not properly, not with power and suspension set up and that.
Yeah, right.
I just sort of see how it goes.
Yeah. Now like every man and his dog's getting into it.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Oh well.
AU house scene.
Yeah.
All that,
Yeah. Oh well. Good
believe
for
it or not, I'm actually a JDM guy.
Yeah.
At heart.
Yeah. It's good for the scene though. Like having the more people into it and stuff. It's good for the scene. More drivers and that, you know.
Yeah, sure, it is.
Alright, let's go.
through.
So the engine's drop cylinders, you can hear it.
Yeah.
That's factory protection.
Oh, yep.
But it kept getting hotter and hotter, and I just thought, nah, it's the last rip.
Last one of the day, yeah, send it. Man, it took a beating before it got hot.
And you want to film the flyer too?
Is it on fire?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit. Oh, no way. It's actually on fire. Shit.
Good fire, right?
Holy shit.
Just about out of water.
I want to get some more water. It's down the bottom there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, he's out of water. Oh, it's going out, it's going out. It's almost out. It's almost out, eh? Woo, got him. Holy shit, man. That's how they do it in the Barra community. Holy shit. It's the same, that reminds me of Zach's bloody Barra catching on fire. Far out. He knew it was on fire when we were coming off the track too. Dude, that was nuts. That was like, what the fuck? That was like full send and then extra.
Extra fire at the end, yeah.
Holy shit.
I think I did that before when we hit the, we might have clipped the barrier.
Far out, man. You know how to get down, eh? That was insane.
Nah, I don't think I'm any better than anyone else. I have driven the track a few times, and I was actually just driving QR on Friday night, so
Yeah, right.
I had some practice.
Yeah,
Sort
sweet.
of- yeah.
Dude, this thing feels so much different to like an S shaft, yeah. Like,
Does it?
yeah, it's like, it's so smooth. I don't know, it just like floats around heaps. And
Yeah.
you kind of drove it really well to that. And like, it's got no grip, eh?
Yeah,
No grip.
Because I just run all scrap tyres. But yeah, because this thing, I put on a weight bridge and it's still 1.64 tons. 1.64 tons, and that's just with me in it, with no fuel in. So with
Yeah,
the
right.
tank of fuel, you're going to be pushing at 1.7 tons.
Yeah.
Whereas a lot of this stuff would be maybe, what, 1,200, 1,100
Yeah,
kilos?
yeah, for sure.
So,
It's
a
heavy.
lot of people say that this feels really smooth.
Yeah, it does.
Because
The weight landing is down. Yeah. It really does feel smooth, eh? Like, I got a lot of bumps here, I think, in my S13. Just bounces heaps. This thing just like, even when you come off the track, it's nice and smooth, eh? That was pretty cool though, the power's awesome. The power's wicked, like the torque and that. Freaking out of the corners, you were just like, gone. That was sick. Yeah. Thanks so much for taking me out. Legend. Fuck, yeah. Alright, so I just lost my AU Barra virginity in that thing. It was turbo, so it was mental. Like, the dude can bloody drive. Pulling off 360s and shit, that was fucking crazy. But yeah, I think it's pretty much over now. Like, everyone's out of tires, and I think it's like the end of the event. Alright, that's the end of this one, guys. That was freaking crazy. Archie's on a whole nother level of drifting, eh? It's just non-stop. I'm absolutely covered in rubber. It's just such a sick track, and the government is trying to shut this track down, and it's still in talks at the moment. It's looking good. It sucks that the government wants to shut tracks down when this kind of thing like really does help the whole hooning on the streets, illegal motorsports, I don't know what you want to call it, you know, illegal drifting and the street racing and stuff. Tracks help that so much, and I don't know why they want to shut it down. It's so stupid. Like, I do know the main reason. People complain because they live near the track and they get upset about it, which is silly, because most of the time the track was there first and then you build a house next to it. doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Humans do that sort of crazy stuff. And but yeah, so everyone's come together and they're fighting to keep the track, and Luke's in talks at the moment with the government and whatnot. So if you want to know what happens with all that, make sure you check out Luke's channel and follow him on his socials. He'll update everyone once that comes out. The verdict on it, they're supposedly shutting it down really soon, which sucks, but yeah. Also, if you ever come out to Archie, and they've got strict rules here with like sound limits, another thing imposed by the government. So if you are finished drifting at 5 o'clock, at the end of the event when it finishes drifting, do not rev your cars and like limiter bash them and make noise, because they've got like a no noise policy after that time. So if you do that, you're gonna get kicked out and you're probably not gonna be allowed back in, which sucks. Don't be a clown and be one of those people that are just limiter bashing after the event. It really sucks, and like I can't imagine how much it would suck for Luke and his team of workers, like trying to keep drifters from doing that sort of dumb shit. But yeah, thanks heaps to the guys that took me in the cars. Unfortunate for Sam in the orange R34 that his one of the rose joints, the GK Tech one, it just like slotted out like an oval. So that was the older version, and hopefully, because I've got the same ones, hopefully mine are the newer version, they're stronger on the 32. But it's not nice, and it sucks for him too. But he did say he has spares, he's going to put them in, he's going to be back out here. And then that ride in the AU Falcon was actually pretty sick. Like I would never own an AU, just put it that way, because I don't know, there's so many cool JDM cars for me to buy first before I'd ever own an AU. But if you want to go buy an AU, go do it, mate. It's freaking, that was sick. Like especially a Turbo Barra, that was freaking, it was actually wicked. And I had a heap of fun. Thanks heaps to, yeah, I'm gonna head home now, cruise home and edit some of this footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe. Peace out.